your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just went to my post office mailbox, and this is what I had waiting for me. So let's see what I get. Let's take that off. Yes. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look what one of my honeys sent me. A 5-blade salad spiralizer. Okay, I did a video of me doing something, slicing tomatoes or cucumbers or trying to slice something, and it didn't work out so well. And I mentioned that I probably needed a spiralizer. And one of my honeys, look at it, sent me a spiralizer. Oh my goodness. Let me see. Comes with instructions, which nobody reads, but I will because it got a lot of attachments. This is the cleaning brush. Looks like an edge brush to me. Look at that. Nice. Some blades. Ooh, pretty sharp. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to have to put it together, so I will need the instructions. Okay. Has rubber feet, so it doesn't slide on the counter. Okay, these are some blades too. Okay, they're stationary. Okay. Oh. Okay, I just want to show y'all what one of my honeys got me. 5-blade salad spiralizer. So I'll be able to spiralize my carrots, onions, cucumbers, and I guess shred lettuce and everything. I'm not going to read all this. Thank you very much. And I will put this to good use. I appreciate it a lot. Oh. Okay. It's supposed to be this way. And it's by the Fooyoo. Fooyoo brand. So the handle goes there. Okay, do this sit up any straighter? I ain't gonna break it trying to find out. But these little teeth on here are sharp. They got it on here holding a carrot. And they turn in the handle to spiralize it. I'm gonna have me the best salads, y'all. Yes. Because I'm trying to eat halfway healthy. Okay. Well, I really appreciate it. You got the extra blades up in here. Okay, it says 5 blades. This is 1, 2. That's a blade. Yeah, that's a blade. Then they got 2 blades under here. So 5 blades all together. So I don't know if these snap loose or not. So I'm going to read my instructions. But they do have these extra sharp metal teeth all up under here on the inside. Okay. And nice rubber feet. So to stay stabilized on the counter. So, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. There's a lot of stuff that I may mention that I want. I ain't trying to beg y'all for nothing. I really ain't. I'm just talking. But I appreciate this. And y'all will see, I will put it to good use. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And once again, I want to thank my honey. Her name is Donna. Thank you very much for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. I got some baby carrots in there now. What else I got? That's all they need shredded right now. Well, thank you. Okay, y'all have a blessed day. Bye. Okay, y'all, after further reading these instructions, this here comes out. This is one of the blades. Snaps out. You can put another one in, so I have to learn what each blade does. It has little notches at the bottom, and it has notches here, so the blades can snap in. And these blades that were under here, they slide out. They all look the same to me. They look the same. Let me see. Oh, it's a little different. Let's see this. Well, I will find out. So put these back under here. Let me see how back this looks. It's like a new toy. Do I go that way? Or that way? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Without cutting myself. Oh, I see a little slot. Yeah. Put the sharp one under here. A little slot under here, a little ledge. Snaps in. So that snaps in there. I put the handle on. Okay. So I'll let y'all see how I use it in a later video. Okay. Page to read the instructions. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm going to show y'all one more thing. Okay, this can be folded after use. I was wondering how I was going to store this because I got so many gadgets. So, this folds down. And you can leave a blade in there if you want to. Folds down. And this part also, this here, with the handle attachment, it folds down. Come on now. And you can take the handle off. So it folds flat, just like it came in the box. I think I'll keep the box. Okay. Okay. I'm going for real now. Bye.